Did you know that Dubai's real estate market has seen a staggering 20% increase in property prices this past year? With such growth, have you considered how AI could help you capitalize on this booming market? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring Dubai's vibrant property market and how cutting-edge AI technologies are transforming real estate investment. If you want to make serious money, stick around to see how AI can empower you to make informed investment decisions and maximize your profits. The property market in Dubai is challenging. Rapid fluctuations in prices can feel overwhelming, and investors must know when to buy and sell, as well as how to identify hidden gems among countless listings. Traditional market analysis can be slow and often overlook critical insights. This is where AI comes in. Let's discover how it can address these challenges. There are fantastic AI tools available to help you navigate Dubai's property market. For instance, predictive analytics software analyzes historical data to forecast future trends, giving you insights into which neighborhoods are set to increase in value. AI-driven platforms can quickly scan thousands of listings, helping you uncover investment opportunities you might otherwise miss. Machine learning algorithms can also assess property values based on various factors like location, amenities, and even social media sentiment. These insights offer a competitive edge in a crowded market, empowering you to make data-driven decisions that can lead to substantial profits. Let's highlight a success story that illustrates AI's effectiveness. Meet Sarah, a savvy investor who moved to Dubai a couple of years ago. Initially, she found the market challenging to navigate, feeling lost and overwhelmed. Then, she discovered an AI-powered analytics platform that transformed her approach. Using this platform, Sarah identified emerging neighborhoods before they became trendy. One of her first investments was in an up-and-coming area predicted by AI to see a 30% increase in value within a year. Today, Sarah's portfolio has grown significantly, and she credits her success to these AI tools, stating they helped her transition from a rookie to a confident investor in the Dubai market. In conclusion, AI is a game changer for anyone looking to invest in Dubai's booming property market. From predictive analytics to smart property evaluations, these tools empower investors to make better, data-driven decisions that can lead to financial success. As the market continues to grow, those harnessing AI's power will see the most rewards. What are your thoughts on using AI in real estate? Is it a game changer for you, or do you have reservations? I'd love to hear your opinions in the comments below. And for more tips on property investment, don't forget to check out my other videos. Hit that subscribe button, and let's make some money together. Catch you in the next one.